So sharing my screen right now. I save. Quizzes. Okay, right now, this is quizzes, this is quizzes.com. Now look at quizzes. My name is Chinedu Okeleke, so that's the reason why you can see my name at the side. On your, if you're making use of your phone, you can zoom, you can zoom your Zoom screen by touching your with your finger. Make use of it to really see the screen, or you can make your phone slant or so. If you're making use of the laptop, you can see my screen very clear. Now, this is your quizzes. Now, to create a question, now if you look at all this, you have different questions on all this. You have the math, English, social studies, languages, and so on like that. Now, let's say this math. Let's say the math that somebody else has created. Okay, we have year 3 base line text factors. You can create yours. You can create yours. Somebody else created this. Somebody else created this. You can create yours. We have addition. We have now. If you look at this question now, I've clicked on this particular question that somebody else created. Now, all you need to do when it comes to this particular question is to share. You click share, and when you click share, it will ask you if you want to. Now, I've clicked on share. I've clicked on share. It's asking me now that the people you are sharing this resource with need to be super users to it. So you must train your pupils how to use your quizzes. It's very easy. Your student will sign in as students. Why you sign in as a teacher? They will sign in as students. Why you sign in as a student, as a teacher or educator? Now, all you need to do is when you're done creating your assessments, you send them the code. You send them the code for them to be able to assess your quizzes assessment. So all you need to do is just click on copy link. And when you click on copy link, then send it to their WhatsApp or your Google Classroom. So when they come in, and what is good about quizzes, they can answer the question using their mother's phone, their iPad, their tab, their laptop, any device. Honestly speaking, when you make use of quizzes, you enjoy assessments than the normal Google assessments that you know. So now if you look at this now, let's see. So the first one here is start a live quiz. You can decide to start your live quiz. When you're done creating your question, you click on start a live quiz. Then your pupils need to know that you are telling them to come online at a particular time. If you're starting by 4 o'clock, you let them know it's 4 o'clock on Saturday. Come online for our live quiz. You can organize a online assessment competition. Your parent will be there, fine. But the truth is, you are growing your school, making your parent understand that you are making use of your technology to build your normal classroom settings. Now, if you click on this now, when you click on the live aspect, this is telling me that upgrade. So if your school also pays, if they pay, the reason why this is telling me to upgrade because I'm not the owner of this particular question. But if you create yours, when you click on start a live quiz, it will immediately open you start seeing your pupils the way they answer the questions. Now, if you look at this, assign homework, click on assign homework. So you can see, for you to use other people's work, you need to subscribe. But now, to create yours, you click on create. Now, to create yours is free. Click on create. Then I'll click on create, and this is what I can get on create. Then all I need to do now is I need to this is normal quiz. Click on my quiz, then name this computers. Okay, then I move on. Then I click on then I click computers here. Then I click next. Sorry, please. Sorry, everyone, please. Someone called me, so sorry about that. All right, so I'll click on the next aspect of it. Now look at this now. Now this is, I want to create my question. All I need to do now is, I need to pick either is it a multiple choice question that you want to do, where you have your A, B, C, D, or you want to create a kind of drawing, just drawing. So if you feel, oh, you're an arts teacher, oh, I can't use this because it contains multiple, no, it also contains a space that they can draw. Look at, when you click drawing, let me click drawing and see. So you can, now you can type your question, where you have type your question. I can type my question, draw a computer mouse. Now I've typed my question now, draw a computer mouse. So then the computer automatically sets it 3 minutes. You can give them more minutes by clicking on the arrow close to your 3 minutes. Tell them, oh, maybe you want it 5 minutes. So immediately it is 5 minutes. Immediately it is 5 minutes. This particular question will close. It will close automatically. It will close automatically. Immediately it is 5 minutes. If you want them to stay there for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, trying to get the drawing ready, you click on the particular minute that you want. Now, I think I prefer the 3 minutes. Then I click save. Then I click save. And then I move on. Now look at this particular part. Then you can now move on, or you click on your normal multiple choice. This is the multiple choice question. Now I'm trying to type my question here. All you need to do is type a question here. Type a question where you have type your question. Now it's not compulsory that you must use caps lock. Who is the president of Nigeria? Who is the president of Nigeria? Pardon me, my question mark keyboard is having issues. All right. So now all I need to do now is to type the options here. The first options here. I'm going to click on this side where I have my type and answer. The first option is okay, sorry. Okay, the second option here is, and the third option here is, and the last option here is Fashola. Okay, now you are done typing your options. All you need to do now is you need to click on the correct answer so that the computer will understand that this is your correct answer. You must click at this part where you have the mark. Click on it this way. It will automatically show green circle. So then you move to this side now and you click save. You move to where you have save. You are done with the first question. Now, if you look at this side, I've clicked save and this takes me straight to, now this is how the question appears. Can you see this now? Who is the president of Nigeria? The first option is Chinedu. So your purpose will click on the correct answer. And I can decide to make these questions to be in 45 seconds. Just click on this particular part, make it to appear just 45 seconds. No need of making it to appear for them to start waiting to think 1 minute. Leaving a question like a multiple question for 3 minutes is wrong. A child should not be on a particular question for 3 minutes. No, that's not that's not an online assessment. You can only do that if you feel that the question is a difficult one, like mathematics. But when it comes to things like who is the president of Nigeria, you know that with that they can click on the right answer within seconds. All right. Now the next, so when you are done, so you click, when you're done with the first question, it is showing there, question 1. Then you click for the next question, you move up and you click new question. Click on new question. Then it will ask you multiple questions. You can also create a kind of theory question there. Just fill in the blank and so on. Then click on another multiple question again. Then I type dash is used for clicking. Dash is used for clicking. Okay, then I move straight to this side, keyboard, my options, click on then the next option, mouse, and the next option is my CPU. My CPU. Then the next option there, then I click on monitor. Sorry, just permit me for those little errors. All right, then all I need to do now is to take the correct answer. You must take the correct answer before this save icon pops up. This save icon cannot pop up if you've not indicated the correct answer. Now the correct answer is mouse. I need to click on this side. Then your save icon comes up. Then I click save. Now this is question 2. This is question 2 now. Then you move to the next question like that. So when you're done creating your question, then you preview your question. Now to really see what you have created, you can type as many questions as you want, but please make it easy for them. You can type 20 questions. Then you decide their grades and so on. Then you move straight to preview. You preview and see the way your question comes out. I'll click on preview right now. This is preview. So, okay, now I've seen this. If there's any error, you can go back there and edit the question. Now, the first question is Tinubu, Buhari, Abiola, and so on, the options. Then when they are done, when your pupils are, when they are done clicking on the correct answer, this is what they will see on their screen. When they are done clicking on the correct answer, then they move straight to this particular button that says next. They click next question. Next question pops up. Then dash is used for clicking. They click on the correct answer. If they click on the wrong answer, it will record the scores for them like that. Then they click on the next icon, the next button also again, and move down to it like that. So when they are done, it will let them know their scores immediately. And this side helps you to know how many questions you have here. This side, you have the 2/2, just 2 questions I typed here, typed in here. So with this, I do believe that you can unmute and ask a question on quizzes, please. You can unmute and ask a question on quizzes. If you have any question about quizzes, you can ask a question now, please, before we move on to Canva. I'm not going to waste much time. Let's move on. Let me stop sharing. Okay, now I'm going to make use of my phone for Canva. I'm going to make use of my phone for Canva. Now I'm going straight to the use of Canva right now. Using my phone. You also use your laptop, but I'm using my phone because most of us, we have our phone available. Now we go straight to Canva using our phone. I'm going to show you most of the flyer you see online about schools in Lagos State. I designed all those flyers, the social media stuff. I handle the social media handle and so on. I designed those flyers using Canva. To be honest with you, I designed those flyers using Canva. It will surprise you if your school wants to send a what's it called again? Newsletter. You can design your newsletter using Canva. Yes. When you're done, you save and you send it as PDF. You send it. I design most of the schools because I'm a part-time ICT teacher. I design most of the schools I work with, their newsletters and so on using Canva. Then I forward it to the head of school, and our own part is to look if there's any correction anywhere I am, I can work on using my phone on Canva. I can edit, correct anything you want me to correct. But if I'm making use of my laptop, I need to be with my laptop before I can correct anything. But I prefer using my phone on Canva. Permit me to use the word rugged to use your phone. It's rugged to use your phone. I enjoy using my phone on Canva than my laptop. Now I'm going to share my screen right now. Okay. Okay, then I have my Canva app there right now. My Canva app, all I need to do now is to click on the Canva app right now. So you need to download a Canva app to be able to use Canva on your from your Play Store. Just download it from your Play Store. All right, so this is my Canva right now. Now I'm going to show you how I design most of the flyers you see. I'll click on now. We have home, we have your projects, we have home, we have your projects, we have Canva Pro, and so on like that. And if you look at the down part of your screen, you see home, your projects, your Canva, the Canva Pro. You must pay for that to use most of their templates. Guess what? I don't use any templates on Canva. I don't use their templates. I design my template from scratch. Now, all I need to do now is, if you want to start using Canva and you want their own template, you can see their templates as many. You can decide to click the one you want. If you click on the first one, I click on a particular template. Right now, I click on their templates. But the truth is, I don't use their template. Now, this is a birthday template. Now, you can decide to remove this picture this way. I can remove this picture. When I click on it, then I go straight to where you have replace. Click replace. Then I click replace. Then it will take me straight to my gallery. Then I can decide to add the particular picture that I want to add. The particular picture that I want to add. Now I want to add this picture now. This particular picture. Then, okay. Now I've added this particular picture. So I changed their own picture, Canvas picture, to the picture that I prefer. I can decide to add my own picture to it. All right. So when you click on present, you see all your galleries. You see your galleries. Then you can decide to pick what you want. Now, okay, now let me click on my picture. Let me click on my picture. Now, this is my picture now. So I can also edit this birthday and say, happy birthday, Chinedu. Then I type. Now, if I don't want to type, I can decide that, oh, let me shift this. I can move this by dragging, you can drag this up. Then I can now type, look for a different font. When I click on that particular cross, then this opens, then I scroll down like that. You scroll until you get to text. Then you click text. When you click on text, sorry, I need to be sure, okay. When you click on text, then the next thing you need to do now you see add a heading. Then you click add a heading to type your own, what you want to type there. Now I'm typing Chinedu there. Then I move it straight to where I want it to appear. Now if you look at this, I can decide to make it slant this way. I can decide to make it slant this way by dragging that particular circle close to the circle, this particular circle arrow that goes around like that. Okay, now I can decide to change the color of Chinedu. Click on Chinedu, then I move straight. Then I scroll the down aspects, click on color. Now you can see color there. Click on color, where you have that letter A. I can decide to change the color this way. Now I can decide to use a different color, blue. I can decide to use any color of my choice. Then I can also change the color of this text, of this message. I can also change the message there. I can delete the message. Just click on it, then type wishing you blessed life, and you move on like that. Now I can change the color of that particular text by clicking on the down part where you have color. Click on it. Then other colors pop up. Then you pick the color you want. Then I can click on red. You can use any color of your choice. Then this side where you have that Michelle, you can delete it. When you click on it, then click the delete icon at the down part of it. Now I can take this down. I can increase the size of this from the angle where you have that particular white dot at the top angle, the left-hand side of the text. Okay, now I can decide to change, to remove this particular stuff, the picture up there. I click on it, then I take it out, shift it away this way. Then I can also shift this one too. Then I can also decide that I don't want it, I will delete it. Click on it, then click your delete icon. Then I can leave this one this way, make it a slant, then push it in. And just make it this way. Then I can decide to, oh, I want my template to, then I want to delete this particular one, then I click delete also. I just want my picture. Then, oh, I don't like this this leaf or this small tree over there. Click on it, then delete it. Then I can also decide to go straight to where you have what they call it again, different templates. Click on elements and just type cake. I can decide to type cake there, cake. Then click, then search for cake. Canva has a lot of cake there, so I can decide the one I want. Click on the one I want, then drag it down to where I want my cake to be. Where I want my cake to be. So with this, you can design anything. Now I'm going to show you something. Most of the flyer, I'm going to show you. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Right now, this is the flyer for the training, the poster. Now I'm going to click on it. Click on your project to see your what you have done on Canva. You need to click on your project. Your project. I've created over 1,000 posts on Canva. 1,000 posters and newsletters and everything you can think about. Now this is the first one where you have this. They click on it. That's the flyer. Now I'm going to show you how I did this. Now just watch what I'm going to do now. Now this is the flyer for the training. I'm going to click on this now. Click on the first picture. That's the first picture, the guest speaker now. I can decide to change the frame around the guest speaker. Green, that's green. Change it to green by clicking on it. Then I can decide to change a name from Kolashade to yellow or to a yellow font. But it's good to use white fonts most times when you have any color box or so. Now I can decide to delete the frame, delete this frame, delete, change that picture to another picture. Because I've measured, I've reduced picture size to a particular size, then I go straight to a different picture entirely. Okay, let me see my, okay, I can decide to use this picture. I can decide to use this picture. Now you can see this now. I've changed this particular picture right now. Drag it to wherever I want it to be. Drag it this way, and so on like that. Now I can decide to delete all this picture also. Correct. Maybe take this particular frame this way. Resize it to fit the picture. Then you can also reduce the picture size by clicking on the picture. Then from the angle side, you reduce the picture this way. Then you move again this way. I know time has gone, but just give me some minutes, please. Okay, now I can decide to change this picture, to move this picture on to this particular part, and take this picture, delete the frame, take this picture to this particular part. Then take this other one to this particular part. I can decide what I want. Now I'm going to delete all this now. Watch what I'm going to do now. Delete all this now. Let me show you how I got. Sorry, so you can duplicate your image by clicking on the image first. Then you click duplicate this particular part at the down part where you have duplicates. Now I want to delete everything that I have on, sorry, delete, click on it, then click delete. Just to show you how I got the background. That's not from Canva. I prefer using my background. Okay, let me leave this phone. Okay. Delete. Okay, now I've deleted all this. Now, if you look at this, this is a image on its own. So all I did is I got this image from the internet. I got this image from the internet, from Google. All I did was, black and yellow background, images of black and yellow background, and that was what I typed on Google. Then I can now decide the particular image, download it. Then I will use it and enlarge it to fit in with what I wanted. Drag it down to this side. Then start adding my image. I can decide to change all this also. Drag them at this point, decide to change all this. Drag them at this point like this, and so on like that. I can edit all this. Now, if you look at this particular spot is different from this. I can decide to bring it here, then bring the classroom underneath, then change the picture of the classroom management or so to red. So it's very easy. Please, you can unmute and ask the question now, please. You can unmute and ask a question.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
All right. What I just want to ask is, what is the difference between this Canva and as in the CorelDRAW stuff?
Yeah, CorelDRAW is a little bit difficult to learn. CorelDRAW is a little bit difficult to learn, but thank God for IT guys. They decided, CorelDRAW, not everybody can use CorelDRAW, but Canva, everybody can use. Canva is very easy to use. CorelDRAW, you can carry CorelDRAW on your phone and start moving on the road and start designing. But with Canva, you can carry Canva on your phone and be designing. Let's assume you have a program coming up for your school. You just use the phone to design your program and you move on. But when you have your laptop at home and your school or your head of school calls you and say, please can you help us to edit the newsletter? I'm telling you, you need to get home first before you can design your newsletter. But with Canva, you can, all you need to do when you come to Canva. Now I'm going to show you how I design a newsletter. How I design a newsletter. Sorry, let me see. Okay, now I'm going to show you a particular school newsletter. Now I'm going to show you a school newsletter right now. So you just get to see how I design a newsletter. Now this is a particular school newsletter. This is a particular school newsletter. Now this is the first page. This is the second page. This is the third page. If I don't want this page, all I need to do now is to click on this small white circle. Click on that number 3 showing on it. Then I can easily duplicate what I have here to display by clicking duplicate. So that I can now click here, then edit what I have here. And that's how I create my newsletter. I can decide how I want the background to be, how I want the text to be, and so on. But when it comes to CorelDRAW, you need to sit down and be design. But honestly, there's nothing that you cannot create. And do you know that you can print? You can print what you have done. You can just take it to your printer, take it to your printing shop, print exactly what you have done. I use Canva to design posters. It's as fast as I use Canva to design posters. Now look at this particular poster now. I was just playing with this. I use Canva to design this particular poster. So now I can print this out. I can paste it on the street, and you can't really tell if it's CorelDRAW that I use or Canva. But this is Canva from A to to Z. Now look at this. Click on this, drag. So you can see that it's Canva all through. So you can see Canva all through. I can scatter everything. All I need is the logo of PDP from the internet or APC. Move it anywhere I want it to be. Decide to move it anywhere I want it to be. I can bring this at this particular point. I can decide to type inside the president. I can move this, drag this up, bring this to this point. Then take this back to this particular point. So you can see, then I can bring this back to this place. Then I can minimize this. Then bring it down to this place. Then take this up. Bring this down this way. So it's very easy. So you can see it's very easy. All right.
Okay, are you just clicking and dragging?
Yes, just click and drag with your finger. Click and drag. You click first like this. Then you drag with your finger anywhere you want to place it, up or down, anywhere you want to place it. So I'm dragging it, but you can't see my finger, but I'm dragging the text with my finger up or down, anywhere. I can also drag my image, my picture. Like this particular picture, if you notice, I removed the background using that slazer.com. Slazer.com. Okay, let me just show you this slazer.com. Let me just show you quickly. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to delay your time. You have the next training. Please just give me some minutes, please. You have just 3 minutes to end this class. Then I click on this side. Then I type slazer.com. Slazer.com. Then I click okay. Now this is slazer.com right now. Slazer site. Then it's telling you here upload image. Then I click upload image. Now I can see any image of my choice. Now look at this particular image now. Look at this particular image, my image now. Just watch this. This is my image, my picture, but I just feel, oh, I don't want the background. Can you see it now? This is the original image, but I don't want the background to show. All I need to do is click on this, then edit image. Can I say that? I can also change this by clicking on preview, edit preview. There is scroll up. I can change the background to black. I can change the background to a different background entirely. I can drag my picture to the middle, to the center part. I can change the background. You move like that. You can change it to white. You can change it to orange, to a plain orange. You can change it to any color of your choice. Then when you're done, so you can change it to this particular editing. So when you're done with this, then you click download. Just click download. Click download. When you click download, it will ask you then your picture is ready. Then I go straight to my Canva now. What the next thing? I'm going straight to my Canva now to add that particular picture. Now I'm deleting this particular picture, and I'm going straight to my Canva now to pick up the picture. Then I click gallery. For you to see your picture, you need to click on gallery. Sorry, I'm about to stop this this meeting in less than a minute. Then I click this now. So I've added this right now. So you can see this now. So I was able to add a different background using my slazer.com. I can make it a plain background, or you can make it plain. You can make it just to crop your particular image. All right. I'm going to stop here right now. So I'm going to stop here right now. Sorry. So. All right, so we are stopping here right now for us to go back to the next training. Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you all. Bye. Yeah.